Hello everyone and welcome to this Cortina vlog. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure to do so. Really does help us out, helps the channel out, and you get to see more of this and more Cockshot Lane. So anyway, here we are. She is here, finally back on the road. And I'm just so excited to actually drive it. So of course this video today is sort of off the back of another video that I'm doing. But of course what we're going to do with it? Well, like all great millennials, we're going to take her to McDonald's and we're also going to drive her around. It's just a vlog of, and I'll tell you things about the car and you'll like it or you'll hate it or not or all that jazz. But the main thing is covering, this car on a sort of daily basis as I daily it around. So there'll be a few more videos in this series, but this isn't it. Of course, there's more videos on the channel, SD1, all that jazz, 75 back soon as well. And obviously project videos on this lovely thing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And we have a few little errands to run in the wonderful Cortina. It says cock on it. Hello everybody, we're in the Cortina. It works. I know, right? That's crazy. It is like flying a DC-3 if we're talking about planes, because I really like those. The steering is very, it's on it, but it's not like particularly on it, if that makes sense. It's sort of like 2 business days. There are a few little rattles and stuff here and there, but she's moving, she's doing it, she's stopping, she's going. Let's get around here. First roundabout in a while. Oh my god, it's like driving a battleship. Here we are. Yeah. Oh my god, it's doing something. What the heck? Look at the front. Look at the view. It's amazing. Look at this. We're in it. With a 406 coupe there, that's nice. Look at that, gorgeous. Yeah, she's doing stuff. I'm well chuffed. Can't believe it. So you'll join me in a minute. This is a bit of a first Cortina vlog video. You'll join me in a minute when I go to get the wheels aligned, because we've just had all 4 tyres put on it. So I'll see you in a minute. We've had to stop. Why, you may ask? Knocking sound. So it just appears when you change gear, you get like a slight knock, and it's gotten a bit worse. Just checking everything's on right, but it all looks fine. I thought it was the exhaust, but the exhaust is all on right. Something like that anti-roll bar, could it? Just kick it and see what it does. No, it's not that. I don't know what it could be. Oh, these are on that. Yeah. Oh. Put my head on the exhaust, it's not this. No, it's not fuel tank. I just don't know what it is. Wheels are all on right. Beyond me. I don't know what it is. How bizarre. We're just driving her along and all of a sudden it just starts knocking. But look at her, she's out. So yeah, that's a bit weird. Never known that. I'll just open the bonnet and I'll have a look.
Don't put them on the floor, put them in the...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I told you, I was like, it sounds like when Julie's bloody mechanic didn't put the Mercedes back together right.
Looks like I'm about as good as he is.
Well, he's a mechanic, so there you go, you're on par.
Hey look, it's my shop. I've been informed by Ransom that I need to acknowledge that my girlfriend is right and that I am incorrect. So here we are, is official statement from me that I am wrong on
About
this
what?
thing only. About the fact that the wheel wasn't on right. I must have just rushed it like I'm not, but that is pretty damn stupid. But she's running like a dream now. Look at all this, look at all that jazz. It's looking nice. So we'll carry on driving and hopefully we'll finally get our wheels aligned. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Nice to get our wheels aligned, eh? So we'll turn up. Hopefully they can actually do it. I've got a bit of shit stuck in my nose. You don't not a princess. Here we are, got E5, £42 for a litre. Oh my god. They're like, over there it's like anti-theft operation in action. It's like, well, filling this up, tell them 15 quid, not even bloody blinked. Filling this up, I'd probably, might cost me a bit, well, a bit over 100. Just drive off. Don't commit criminal acts, I'm joking. There we are, we're all on doing the thing. And I have to go pay for that mess. Horrifying. I tell you what, that does half look nice. Look at that. Lovely Ford Festina. Shame it, well, it's just a bit weird that it's obviously we're in a bit of a fuel crisis and a bit of an economic crisis. And when this thing came out, it would have been like that as well, so happy returns. Mental, that was considered a bit, that's considered like a family car, and this is considered like a family car. It's like, that thing's massive, and this thing's just like a slipper. I bet you that the carpet in that's thicker than the entire car in this. Wasn't it? So you can see here, it's the passenger side that's out. I know, we're achieving what 18-year-olds want with their Corsas. God, it's horrific. Yeah. Bless her, but she's getting what she needs. I've just got the brand new tyres on. Brilliant. There she is, back in action. Fastest I've ever run, isn't it? So let's try and get it round. Obviously this is like literally the most boring thing ever in a normal car, but God, it's massive. Hey look. Dude, that ordered like 500,000 things. Oh my god. It's too late. So we have no cup holder, so Kate is a cup holder now, but the ultimate combo is here. Any less is not worth it. So she went through the drive-through pretty well. You know, I wouldn't expect her to, because obviously she probably went through a couple of years ago, but I'm just enjoying driving it. And, you know, it's cool to see cars like this do normal things. Hello everyone, so I'm crawling through the countryside. Why? Because I'm scared of this car. No, it's just a bit not as confident as you'd think in a 70s car yet. Hey, Alex's assets, I think she drives, I think Jessie's from late 50s, early 60s. So she has bigger balls than me. Well, she does. Absolute legend. Subscribe to Alex, by the way. And I'm hoping this will join TC and Simone soon, this lovely beast. Because we all have Cortinas and Simone is great and her channel's amazing. So of course here we are at the end of this first Cortina vlog. If you want to see more of this and more of me nearly stalling the bloody Ford Cortina, I think she carb needs tuning, because she's like absolutely knocking me about. So yeah, that's about it, everybody. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, remember to subscribe for more of this Cortina content and all the other content I post. So yeah, cool ass birds over there though. You can't see them, they flew away.